Hi, I'm Leanne, and this is my review of the All-Clad Stainless Steel stock pot. So this comes in a 3-piece set. You have the lid here, and these handles are permanently sealed. It's got a lifetime warranty, and this is the strainer pot. Obviously, it works as a colander. You can use it as a steamer. And then you have the stock pot piece. This is 6 quarts. This can withstand up to 500 degrees, so that means it can go in the oven. It can also go in the dishwasher, which is really nice. I can't stand washing things by hand. So all of these items are dishwasher safe, and I'm gonna show you a few more details right now. It's nice that these pots all stack up into one tower so that I don't have to store the 3 pieces separately, so that's good for storage. And they're also broiler safe as well. So whatever the highest temperature in the oven is, these pots can withstand it. These pots work on an induction stove or a standard stove, and they're in great shape. I've owned these for 3 years, and they're in just as good shape as when I got them. Obviously, this strainer can be used as a colander. They do everything I expect them to do, and it's a product that I recommend.